Hi, in this video we will discuss about trigonometry, the ratios sine, cosine and tangent theta. But before going into the video, I want you guys to subscribe my channel right now and press the bell icon so that you may get more interesting videos for mathematics and physics as well. Let's get started. You can see here, this is a right angled triangle. Well, what is right angled triangle? Basically, you can see here, these are two lines of a triangle, and this is the angle which is being made between the two lines. You can see here, when you put a D on it, you will notice that this angle is of 90 degree. When an angle between two lines is 90 degrees, such angle is called right angle. So you can see here, this is right angle, and due to two lines here making an angle of 90 degree, and the third line is also connecting these both lines, that is why this triangle is called right angle triangle. So simple. When in any triangle, if any one angle is of 90 degree, then such triangle is known as right angled triangle. Alright, now you have heard that this is a right angled triangle, which is so easy, and trigonometry depends on this right angled triangle. You can see here. Now let's move towards trigonometry slowly and slowly. It's so easy, so simple. Just relax, take a copy and just watch my video and note down the important points. You can see here, if this is making an angle, such angle is 90 degree, then absolutely there will be also some angle, and there will be also some angle. Now let's forget about this angle and let's remember this angle. There is some angle, maybe there will be 30 degree, maybe there will be 40 degrees, maybe 45 degrees, maybe 60 degrees, it doesn't matter. There will be some kind of angle, and we will name that angle as theta. And this is the sign of theta. It is pronounced as theta. Well, it's written as theta, but it's not pronounced theta, it's pronounced theta. So this is theta. It is a Greek word which means angle. So this name is given to angle. For example, my name is Murtaza. You will call me Murtaza. You will not call me with any other name. Similarly, this is angle, and the name of the angle is theta. You cannot call any other name to this angle except theta. So the name of the angle is theta, and when angle is 60 degrees, we can say that theta is equals to 60 degrees. When angle is 90 degree, we can say that the theta is 90 degree. So some theta is basically the name of the angle. So this is so easy and so pure concept of theta. Again, I'm saying this, nothing else that I've said you some quite confusing and so hard. It's so easy, so simple here. We are moving slowly towards the trigonometry concept. This is angle theta, and the side opposite to this angle theta, this is the side which is opposite to this angle theta, and we will name this side as opposite. Because this side is opposite to this angle, that is why we call this side as opposite. And you can see here, this side you can see here is adjacent to angle theta, so we called it as adjacent. Now most of our students, especially the people who understand Hindi or Urdu, didn't, and sometimes some people didn't know about meaning of adjacent. So I have just to mention them that adjacent means बराबर में, मतलब इस एंगल के बराबर में ये साइड है, इसी वजह से हमने इसको नाम दे दिया एडजेसेंट, और एडजेसेंट का मतलब होता है बराबर में. सो आई हैव स्पोकन माई नेटिव लैंग्वेज उर्दू टू हेल्प अदर स्टूडेंट्स understand the word adjacent, because some of the students do not know about it. So alright, it's so simple, so easy. Right now we are going slowly towards trigonometry. The side opposite to angle theta is opposite, and the side which is adjacent to angle theta is adjacent. So simple and so easy. You can see here this is angle 90 degree, and the this side is opposite to angle 90 degree. Now because this is opposite, so we have to name this side as opposite, but we will not name this side as opposite because we already name a side BC as opposite. So instead of naming this side as opposite, we will name this side as hypotenuse. These are the sides of a right angle triangle, in which this side which is adjacent to angle theta is called adjacent, the side which is opposite to angle theta is called opposite, and the side which is opposite to 90 degree, this side, is called hypotenuse. So in each and every right angle triangle, these are the rules which must be applied in order to understand the concepts of trigonometry. Let's go straight into trigonometry. Alright, now so simple right now. We haven't done such a thing that is so hard, so difficult to understand and so confusing. We are going slowly and steadily towards the trigonometry. Alright, this side is opposite and I will call it as O. If I divide the opposite by hypotenuse, how this opposite is divided by hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is denoted as H. When I divide opposite over hypotenuse, I will get a ratio called sine theta. Again, I'm saying this, no such thing I have told that is different, that is so, messing up with your brain or so confusing. No, there's none such of the word I have told you about. This is so easy. As I mentioned earlier, this theta is nothing but just the name of an angle. So when we divide this opposite over hypotenuse, we get some value, maybe in points, maybe in numbers. So we just give the name as sine theta, and we just said that sine theta is basically when we divide opposite over hypotenuse, we get the ratio of sine theta. Similarly, instead of opposite, if I use adjacent, it is denoted by A. Instead of opposite, I am putting adjacent here and dividing it by hypotenuse. Now it will not be sine theta, but it will be cos theta. Cos theta equals to adjacent over hypotenuse. Now we just have to give them name. For example, these are newly born babies and we have to give them some name, and now we are giving them the name that if we divide opposite over hypotenuse, we just give it a name sine theta. If we divide adjacent over hypotenuse, we give it a name cos theta. What happens if we divide opposite by adjacent? Well, that's simple. It will be tan theta is equals to opposite over adjacent. So these are three trigonometric ratios that you have studied right now in trigonometry. Look, it's so simple, so easy. There's nothing that so hard and so complicated that it is messing with your mind. No, there is no such thing here. It's already so much easy. By the way, there's something that I have to tell you, that sometimes people call instead of opposite as perpendicular sometimes, and instead of adjacent they call it base. Well, it doesn't matter that you call opposite or perpendicular or adjacent or base, it doesn't matter. What matter is the rules, that if you divide this side by this one you get sine theta, if you divide this side by this one you'll get cos theta, if you divide this side by the adjacent you'll get tan theta. So you have understand all the concepts of trigonometry. Let's go in detail. You see, I have written all the trigonometric ratios. Sine theta is equals to opposite over hypotenuse, cos theta is equals to adjacent over hypotenuse, and tangent theta is equals to opposite over adjacent. So simple, so easy. Now what is basic? What are these? What is the full name of them? Sine is not written as sin, but is written as sine. This is sine. Now cos is not written as cos, but it is written as cosine. Tan is not written as tan, but it is written as tangent. So we just have given them the names sine, cosine, and tangent. So I hope you enjoyed my video. If you like my video, then please subscribe to my channel right now. Press the bell icon for more videos so that you may get more interesting videos about physics and mathematics from this channel. Take care. Bye.